In this video, we shall take some more questions on the concept angle between two curves. This is a question. So that the curves y equal to x square and xy equal to k cut at right angles if 8k square is 1. Okay. Now, what are the given curves? Given curves are first x equal to y square number 1, xy equal to k number 2. Okay. Now let us solve these two equations first for their point of intersection. Okay. Now what is y from second equation? K by x. So from 1 and 2, x equal to k square by x square. This gives me x cube equal to k. So x equal to x cube equal to k square. So x equal to k to the power 2 by 3. If x is k to the power 2 by 3, then what is y? K by x. K by k to the power 2 by 3, it is k to the power 1 by 3. So the point of intersection of two curves is a x coordinate k to the power 2 by 3, y coordinate k to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Now from 1 1 equal to 2y dy by dx means dy by dx is 1 by 2y, and from 2 x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. This gives me dy by dx is minus y by x. Okay. Now m1, that is dy by dx at a for 1 first curve, that is 1 by 2. What is the value of y? K to the power 1 by 3. And m2 क्या है? That is dy by dx at a for 2 second curve. What is it? That is minus k to the power 1 by 3y by x k to the power 2 by 3. Okay? Getting the idea? Now, ठीक है. Two curves are perpendicular to each other. Two curves are perpendicular to each other if m1 m2 is minus 1, means what we got this minus y by x. अच्छा, m1 is 1 by 2 k to the power 1 by 3. m2 is a minus k to the power 1 by 3 by k to the power 2 by 3. m1 m2 is minus 1, means 1 by 2 into k to the power 1 by 3 into minus k to the power 1 by 3 by k to the power 2 by 3, it is minus 1. Cancelled. So I got 2k to the power 2 by 3 is 1. ये minus minus plus. So taking the cube, 8k square is 1. So if this condition is satisfied, then two curves will be perpendicular to each other. Now let us take another question. That is, find P for which x square equal to 9p into 9 minus y and x square equal to p into y plus 1 are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now, given curves are x square equal to 9p into 9 minus y, एक number. X square equal to p into y plus 1, it is number 2. Now from 1 and 2, 9p into 9 minus y equal to p into y plus 1 or not. That means, okay, what is y? Let us find 81p minus 9py equal to py plus p, means ये हो गया 10py equal to 80p, means y equal to 8. So if y is 8, then put in 2. So x square equal to p into 8 plus 1, it is 9p. So x is plus minus 3 root p. Am I right? Okay? Getting the idea? Therefore, the points, there are 2 points of intersection. A, 3 root p and 8. B, minus 3 root p and 8. Over? Now, from equation 1, 2x equal to 9p into minus dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? Minus 2x by 9p. From 2x equal to p dy by dx. That implies dy by dx is 2x by p. Okay? Getting the idea? Now, two curves will be perpendicular to each other if m1 m2 is minus 1. That implies minus 2x by 9p into 2x by p must be equal to minus 1, means x square must be equal to 9p square. Okay. Okay. X square must be equal to 9p square. Now, what was my x square for these points? This is one way. Okay. What is my x square? m1 m2 क्या हो गया? ओहो, x square is 9p square by 4. But मुझे क्या मिला है? But x square is 9p. So 9p square by 4 is same as 9p. This gives me, what is p? P is 4. This is one way. ये एक रास्ता है. What is the second way? Second way is, we already got from 1, what was dy by dx? एक नंबर से dy by dx क्या मिला? minus 2x by p. Minus 2x by p. So m1 is dy by dx at a, it is minus 2x by p at a minus 2 by p. x का वैल्यू क्या था? 3 root p. इसका वैल्यू 3 root p था. So what is that? Minus 2 root 3 by root p. Okay. m2 from 2. What was m2? m2 क्या था? m2 was 2x by p. That was 2x by p. So this give me dy, m2 is dy by dx for second at a. वो क्या था? 2x by p. 2 into x था 3 root 3 by p. 3 root p by p. That is root 3 at dy by dx क्या था? 2x by p. 2 into x क्या था? 3 root p by p. Okay, getting the idea? That is first one. What was? dy by dx was 2x by 9p. मैं गलती कर दिया था. माइनस 2x बाय 9p. अच्छा, ये 9p था. 9p तो that is 3 root p by 9p. Okay, it is minus 2 by 3 root. ये क्या है? It is 2 into 3 root p by p. 6 by root p. Now two curves are perpendicular. That is m1 m2 is minus 1. मतलब minus 2 by 3 root p into 6 by root p must be equal to minus 1. So this gives me p equal to 4. ये तुम्हारे लिए इजी होगा. वैसे तुम्हारा दिमाग में नहीं घुसेगा. You do like this. Okay. Now let us take another question. Okay, question. So that xy equal to a square and x square plus y square equal to 2a square touch each other. That is, when two curves will touch each other, concept m1 equal to m2 at point of intersection. Okay, let two curves intersect at h के. सोच लो. Therefore, हाँ, ये दोनों को सॉल्व करना था. I am not solving them. Without solving, how shall you do? Let two curves intersect each other at h. So obviously, putting x equal to h and y equal to k, both the curves will satisfy. hk equal to a square, एक number, and h square plus k square equal to 2a square. Okay, that is दो number. Means this gives me क्या? h square plus k square equal to 2 into hk. Means h, हो, ऐसे मत करो, सीधा करो ना. We can solve them from the equation of curves. X square plus y square equal to 2. A square is xy. This gives me क्या है? x minus y whole square is 0. तो x equal to y दे रहा है. So if x equal to y, then xy equal to a square gives me x square is a square. So x is plus minus a. There, and y is also plus minus a. Therefore, the points are a and this is a and b minus a minus a. Over. Now from 1. X into dy by dx plus y is 0. This gives me dy by dx क्या हुआ? Minus y by x. Okay. From 2. 2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to 0. This gives me dy by dx is minus x by y. Now m1, that is dy by dx for 1 at a, कितना मिला? It is minus 1. m2, dy by dx at a for second curve, that is also minus 1. Put x is a, y is a. So m1 equal to m2 means two curves. m1 equal to m2. So two curves, they touch each other. In the same way, for b also you shall get m1 equal to m2. Two curves will touch each other. Okay, getting the idea, and you will have to do as many questions as you can.